क्या बोल हाँ एक सेकंड रुक जाओ
रेडी है तू जहाँ से रेडी करना वहाँ से रेडी होगा विच रिवर इज दिस यू टेल अबाउट दिस
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग here I am with Amit Nasi sir. Thank you sir for being this place. I'm near Kanchi temple here in the background and I'm standing here with the Kosi river.
and I'm taking a wonderful shot
Towards Ramnagar. It's a joy here. It's a very silent atmosphere, a very silent atmosphere with nobody around. Only myself and Amit Nasi enjoying nature here.
absolutely
So
boss
thank you
Big Abba,
for
sir.
bringing me to this place and showing me that geographically we learned Kosi in our syllabus and here I'm standing in the midst of the Kosi flowing.
Yes yaar absolutely
Very beautiful. There is no mud.
the water is pristine
Pristine clear. Here it is pristine clear.
Yes.
And it is fantastic and awesome feeling. Thank you, Amit sir.
okay boss the video is ready